everybody, I'm Armin from WatchThemLive, and I hope you all are doing amazing. So today we are going to see how we can use a coupon code to get a discount from WatchThemLive. The first thing you need to do is to sign in into your account and then head over here, and beside your profile you'll see this triangular button. You'll need to just click on it and then go to the plan tab. Afterward, you will see this page in which if you have already bought a plan before, you will see renew or change plan. If you haven't done so yet, you will see upgrade plan. So in either case, you'll just need to click on it and head over to the next page. Here you are going to choose the plan you are looking for. I'm going to go for a lifetime plan. The enterprise edition, as you can see, it's $2,499. And I'll just come here and click on choose plan. Then you need to just choose the payment frequency you're going for. Here it's a lifetime deal, of course, and you'll just need to pay once. And there's a button down here, it says I have a discount code. You'll just need to click on it and type in the discount code you have. For example, in this case it's black coupon. As you can see, the applied discount code for 50% is on, and the price is reduced by half, and the total is here $1,249.50. You'll just need to click on checkout and just go through the checkout process, and everything is done. Simple as that. Have an amazing day. See you next time.